Alright, people, check it out, man. Came to check out a wagon, man. You know I love me some wagons. We got a 70. Was it a Kingswood estate? You know, it's got this it's got a short bit of Chevy square body in front of it, so you can see the grill's busted. It looks like a really straight car, you know. Take a quick look. But this car's got a really cool a lot of rust underneath here, backside of that glass. Checks his long hands. I feel like there's quite a bit of, obviously not gonna be able to really look underneath, man. It's pretty low and all the grass and stuff there. Sucks about that. Oh, she smells lovely. She does. Oh yeah. It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty stiff. I wonder if it's got the I think it probably has that back the rear facing seat back there. The mileage is on it. We got power locks, we got power windows. I don't think we got power seat though, I'm not sure. That door won't open. Ow. Ooh. Actually, no. Let's take this out here. It is a 70. I knew it was right. Had me thinking otherwise. Sit back in there. Ugh. Ugh. And it stinks. Windshield's busted. Saw that rust right up in there. I don't think I can. The guy he raised the hood off for me a little bit. Let me see if I can. She seems real. I'm gonna try to hold this up while we take a. See if we can see what we can see. Ow. Oh, man. Well, let me try to get that VIN. Is that VIN up at the front of this? Let me see. I'll just call it out. What's that? 1664660. Is that an S? 142240. I don't think I can see that. If you can. The tag's down there. I'm not gonna be able to get to it. I don't think so. No, that hood is flimsy right there. Yeah. Well, there it is, man. I think they're wanting 1,500 for it. Can't tell what's underneath. I'd have to, see how badly it is underneath too. So. Anyways, let me get my water. Well, there it is. It's got a bunch of old cars up in here too. Wish I could check them all out. 85. That's registered, I guess, on the plate back here. I think I see a 12 bolt back there. That's about as much as I can see, though. Yeah. He's gonna pull it out. I don't know if that's gonna get it out of here. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if I mentioned this back bumper look good, tail lights look good. All the glass except the windshield's good. Let me get my water. We got rust on the corners. See, I mentioned all the rust up here on that door. Wish I could see it from here. I wish this door would open, but it don't. See all the rust around here. Yeah. All right, man. Let me go over there. See, here's that short bit square bar. I don't know what he's gonna do with this. Oh. Got a cool, also a cool C30, custom 30. Yeah, flatbed on it. Yeah, that's cool. Like that. Short bed on it. I don't know what year that one is though. The old one there. I think I seen it. Was that El Camino or? Like there. There's a little Ford over there. Looks like. It's still here. Alright, man.